I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media. Thank you for joining us today. Q Battery Metals, a mineral exploration company focused on exploration and development of battery, base, and precious metals, has initiated permitting for its McKenzie East Gold Property in Quebec. In addition to the McKenzie East Property, located 30 kilometers north of Val-d'Or, Q Metals owns several projects in southwest Quebec with strong indications for gold. Q Metals Geological consultants concluded that the results from the 2020 to 21 drilling program warrant continued exploration on the property and is applying for a permit to allow for the construction of 15 drill pads with supporting access. This is a renewal of a permit that was obtained in 2022 and expired in 2023 for drilling that was not completed. Richard Penn, Q Battery Metals CEO, has joined us today to discuss this news. Welcome, Richard.
Thanks, Cassandra. Yeah, we feel like it's a great time for shareholders to be looking at Q Metals right now. We feel like there's a lot of room for upside potential from a market caps growth standpoint in 2024. Our shares are attractively priced, and we're just ramping up a phase 2 diamond drill program on our McKenzie East Gold Project in Val-d'Or, as well as our lithium projects and uranium and rare earth projects. So we have a robust stable of mining projects in Quebec, and we feel like it's a great time for shareholders to look at QMET.
Thank you, Richard. During 2020 and 2021, Q Metals completed an induced polarization electrical survey, a MMI soil sampling survey, and a drone-supported airborne magnetic survey outlining drilling targets on the McKenzie East. In early 2021, Q Metals completed an 8-hole diamond drilling program as an initial testing of targets on the property. A total of 548 core samples were shipped to ALS Lab in Val-d'Or, Quebec for analysis. Results included 1.185 grams per ton gold over 1 meter from hole MKE 2101, as well as several intercepts containing greater than 0.5 grams per ton gold from holes MKE 2103, 06, and 08. Q Metals geologists note that the style of mineralization intercepted in holes MKE 2103, 06, and 08 showed the most promise during the drilling campaign. Geologic observations of hole MKE 2103 indicated a section of core that contained a visible gold grain of approximate 1 millimeter by 2 millimeter size, as well as veining, alterations, and associated sulfide minerals over a wide interval. The section containing the visible gold returned a weighted average 0.61 grams per ton gold. However, metallic assay provided that the coarse fraction contained 8.01 grams per ton, indicating that coarse gold was a significant part of the overall content. Drill holes MKE 2103, 04, and 08 were all designed to test a geophysical anomaly of primary interest. These holes returned a total of 17 core analysis that contained more than 0.1 grams per ton gold and is considered a target worthy of continued exploration. The Q Metals team is also preparing to return to the southern claim block of the McKenzie East property in order to follow up potential for narrow, high-grade gold-bearing quartz veins as sampled at the adjacent Maruska mineral showing. While at the Maruska, Q Metals obtained a rock sample taken to verify the presence of gold and silver in the veins. The sample returned 3.41 grams per ton gold and 2.58 grams per ton silver, confirming the presence of precious metals in the Maruska vein system. Q Battery Metals is very interested in this high-grade gold showing due to its location very near to the south block of the company's McKenzie East claims. Q Metals' McKenzie East Gold Property is located adjacent to Monarch Mining's McKenzie Break project, where in February 2021, Monarch released a gold resource estimate with open pit resources of 1.4 million tons at 1.8 grams per ton indicated and 2.24 million tons at 1.44 grams per ton inferred, along with underground resources resources of 400,000 tons at 5.03 grams per ton indicated and 1.1 million tons at 4.21 grams per ton inferred, for a total of 397,000 ounces of gold. Readers are cautioned that resource estimates on Monarch's McKenzie Break property do not imply that similar resources or mineralization exist on QMetal's McKenzie East property. The shares are trading at 2 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, qmetalscorp.com, or contact Richard Penn, CEO, at 778-384-8923. I'm Cassandra Belinsky for Investment Pitch Media.